If you need to attend the emergency unit, there's a few changes you need to be aware of. If referred to the unit by your GP, directed by NHS 111 Wales, or self-presenting in urgent cases, you can now use the eTriage kiosks at the unit's entrance to check in. Patients, or their relatives and carers, can use these digital screens to check in, allowing us to prioritise patients based on clinical need so that those who require the most urgent care will be seen more quickly. The eTriage screen is user-friendly. You simply need to input basic details about yourself and your condition, including your name, date of birth, and reason for attending the unit. This will take around 5 minutes to complete upon arrival. Please remember, if your condition is less urgent than others, you may wait longer to be seen. Once you've finished inputting your data, you're now checked into the department. Anyone under the age of 16 will be asked to follow the dragon feet back outside and around to the paediatric emergency unit. Anyone over this age can take a seat inside until you are called. A clinical staff member in the emergency unit will always see you, either to treat you, refer you to a more appropriate service, or admit you to the hospital if it's necessary. The reception desk will still be available for patients who can't use the eTriage kiosk or have difficulties with the system. Thank you.